So this Ceanothus is Ceanothus Ray Hartman. And if you notice, unlike the dark star, the leaves are much wider and bigger. And unlike the dark star, this one will get up to 15 feet tall and about 10 feet wide, give or take. Beautiful blue flowers, darker cobalt-ish blue. It can be trimmed to a small tree if you don't want to let it get 15 feet tall. Full sun, does not like shade. Flowers in the spring. Once it's established, it needs very minimal water. I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous.